This is the video tutorial of BudgetBuddy I. We have a lovely spreadsheet here, very clear, very concise, colorful. And this is the spreadsheet that I've used to help me save thousands of pounds throughout my university tenure. And I hope it helps a lot of you guys as well. Now, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial of this, and any questions, any comments, any suggestions, any improvements, likes, dislikes, let me know. Comments, emails, whatever floats your boat, let me know, guys. It'll be very helpful for me so that I can produce greater products and services and advice and counsel for you guys. Whatever maintenance loan you're receiving, however much it is, in B7, that's where the train gets moving, right? That's where we get started with this spreadsheet. Now, maintenance loans come in 3 installments. Let's say you're getting a maintenance loan of £9,000, and that means 3 installments of £3,000. So you put that in B7 over here. Now, rent. Some of you might be paying for rent. Some of you may not. Some of you may be paying high rents, low rents, wherever your situation is. I've made this spreadsheet to be something that will be very versatile for various situations. So I hope you guys are able to see how it's tailored to you as a UK student and as a student overall, but also to see its applicability to your specific situation if you do some minor edits here and there. All right. Now, wherever your rent is, let's say £6,000 for the whole year, student accommodation, 3 installments of £2,000, you put that in C7. Now, if you want to save some money, if you don't want to save money, whatever your disposition is on savings, you put that on D7. Let's just say you want to save £300, 10% of wherever that maintenance loan is. And guys, this is just an example. This is not any financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't come and say to your parents that look what I was saying and get me in trouble. This is not financial advice, please. Now, that leaves you with £700 for expenditures. So in other words, what is going to be coming out of your account on a monthly basis. Now, ideally, these maintenance loans should be lasting you for 3 months per installment from September to May. Right? That's the typical term length in university. Right? So, with that being said, £233. For some of you, that's okay. For some of you, that's too little. For some of you, that might even be a bit much. Wherever it is, that's your situation. If you want to add more, add more. If you want to add less, add less. You see the breakdown in the monthly summary, and we'll get into that later. But let's say for whatever reason you have more money, right? Maybe you're working a part-time job at Next, and they're paying you £400 per month. Right? You see what the total will be here, because maybe you're also doing a dropshipping business. All right? Maybe you're also doing a dropshipping business. And that brings in £300 a month. You see what the total is of the additional streams, and you see what the total is in this cell over here, F7, when it's added the additional streams to the monthly expenditures that you got from your maintenance loan, right? So £933. Some of you may be getting that, some of you may not. I hope some of you get that and be able to experience that level of money. Like, to live on £233, if you can do it, good on you. Me, I was struggling with the way I wanted to live, so I had to increase it somehow. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. You have your bills, growth, and giving. So that is typically the 3 things, the 3 expenditures that's going to be happening for you as a student, right? Your bills, your direct debits, your subscriptions, If you have a car, that's your petrol, your car insurance, that's your groceries, etc. Your growth, I've labeled it growth. You might want to label it something different. Or investments, it is for you to invest in yourself. So it could be books, again, things related to your degree. It could be health and well-being, your mental health, physical health, gym, beauty, hair, skin, nails, whatever it is, guys. But this section is for your health, for your physical, spiritual, emotional health. Then you have your giving. You want to give to your parents, you want to give to your family, local community, mosque, church. You want to give to your school, you want to give to your friends, you want to give to the guy down the street, you want to give to Bob in one shop that you know from back in the day, whatever it is. That's your section. We have a drop down menu here of all the different varieties of options that you can choose from. Some of it may not be there that's applicable for you. Some of it may be there that is. You may want to add some stuff, you may want to take some stuff. We have a drop down menu over here. Whatever is in this white box that I've highlighted here. So from B52 to 67, as well as for C52, 67, and likewise for cell D, right? Whatever you add in there is what will pop up in this menu over here, right? So if you want to add certain things, you can add it. If there are things there that don't apply to you, you don't have to use it, or you can delete it, whatever it is. Right? Let's just say, again, you got travel, maybe you travel a lot, maybe you travel back and home a lot. Tickets can be a bit pricey, maybe that's £100, right? Groceries, or let's say petrol, I selected that. Let's just say £80 on petrol. Right, you got car insurance. Let's say car insurance is £100 per month. Right, you got grocery. Let's say the rest goes on groceries. Okay. Now, as you can see, guys, on the balance left, the numbers keep changing. If you've noticed that, right? I've set this up so it is calculating automatically how much you're leaving on the you're leaving behind, and how much you may be going over. So in this case, when it says £0. That means, of course, you've used up all the budget for your bills. If you've gone over, or you're planning to go over, or maybe you've even already gone over because you subscribed to something that you didn't realize was within your budget, and now you're coming to check your budget, and let's say your car insurance is actually 150 instead of 100, then it will tell you you're £50 over. So you can see how much you're over. Let's say your car insurance is £80. You can see how much you're under, right? And you can save that money or use that money for whatever you want to do with it. And then you have a drop down menu for investments, haircuts, digital degree materials, dining out. Maybe you want to have a missus and you want to wine and dine your missus. Listen, that takes money, guys. That takes some budgeting. That takes some discipline, right? You don't want to be that guy that when September comes, you're always out with the guys, flashing, having fun. Then October, you're roughaging around like one mouse, trying to get any 2 pennies that you can rub together to live. It's not a good life, guys. It's sad, but you understand. Now, I'm not here to judge you, but I'm just telling you, because I've heard stories like this, and I don't want that to be your situation. Lastly, certainly not the least, you have your giving, your community, young people, church, celebrations. Maybe someone's about to celebrate something. You're saving money for that, wherever it is, right? And the same way on the balance left section that it calculated whether you'll be over or under or breaking even, it will do it for investments and giving, right? So guys, you also have visual breakdown over here. Let me just change this, so that should be for investments. You also have your protocols, your rules to follow. So these are reminders to yourself. Wherever you want to put in there to remind yourself of why you're doing this, or the goals you have, or the things that you want to stick to. Maybe if you saved money from your bills, you want to put it back into a particular fund, or you want to give it to somebody at the end of the month. You write that as a protocol. and you stick to that. So whatever it is, what I've wrote here, whenever you get money, it's just a basis, is what was kind of the foundation for this budget in the first place, is what my mom told me and taught me. And I hope it has some value to you guys. And then again, for all your subscriptions, just to know what's in there, and when it's gonna come out, how much, you can list it all here as well. All right, now just another tip as well for your standing orders and direct debits. Ideally, try and have them all on one date, whether it be the 26th, 27th, 8th, wherever it is, 9th. Try and have them all on one date, just so that there's clarity, there's order, so you know when everything is coming out. You're not stressing around or thinking, when is this going to happen, when is that going to happen. But also try and do it as after your paycheck. So if you're doing part-time work, especially, you may get paid on the 20th or on the 25th. Try and do it on the 28th. Try and have those dates or standing orders and direct debits after, so it gives you a buffer. So you're getting money first before money is coming out and possibly putting you in a precarious situation, right? Summer break is essentially the same template as the academic year. Sometimes in the summer, your situation may change. Maybe you don't have, you don't have, the maintenance loan's finished. Let's just say it like that, right? There's no more maintenance loan. Or the bursaries run out, scholarship no more, whatever it is. It's just is to help reorientate your mind towards summer, because you may have to strategize differently. Maybe you don't. Maybe you save money and you can operate the same way as you did before. But wherever your situation is, it's just a template that I think will be helpful for you guys in the summer. Last but not the least, you have your fund distributions, your savings. So I've put some savings here, some funds that I think are quite pivotal for you to have. You can keep them, you can throw them away. There's explanations for the main ones that I have. So the emergency fund, wealth fund, education, cash, expedition, health. I've explained all of them. I've explained some of the minor funds as well. If you want to use them, use them. If you don't, you don't. You can put your own funds in there, create your own explanations. But I just wanted to have a table there for myself to see my progress, because I struggle to save money. So having this table really helped me to see how I was doing. Having the explanations there clear as day, to remind myself of why I'm doing this, and the protocols for it was really helpful as well. You have your visuals there to help you. So in short, guys, that is the tutorial. I hope I wasn't too long for you guys. Again, leave your comments, your questions, concerns, your dislikes, your likes, things to improve, things to keep. Leave it in there. Let me know what you guys think. It'll be really helpful. I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you guys find this useful. And I hope and I pray that you guys excel on your journey of finances and management and budgeting, that you prosper with your money, that you take care of it well, and that you enjoy the journey. Listen, I'm not here to tell you to be a robot or to tell you that you should be a very strict person in a sense where you can't enjoy your money. This template, as it says in the name, is your buddy. It's your friend to help navigate you to the goals that you have, so that you have the fun that you want to have, and you can have it at the times you want to have it, because you structured for it and you haven't just haphazardly spent your money away.